The following actions were performed by highly skilled and trained professionals. Do not attempt them at home.
We're gonna catch something huge tonight, guys. 2 more casts and we're out. He's on. Got him! Ooh, it's a beast! Ooh, it's a beast!
Oh boy, guys, it's starting to rain, but we just lost a 40 and I got one more spot I want to hit. Oh boy, here comes the lightning.
Beautiful, beautiful. Easily 30 inches. Get him in the boat. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that bass crab, they're blowing those up. The thunderstorm's coming in fast though, so we don't have much time.
Oh, that's a beast, Mangrove. Beautiful.
The kayak is all loaded up. I got a headlight. We got a whole bunch of pinfish that I caught earlier. Take a look at that. We got a bunch of live pinfish. Look at all those. Aerator with nice fresh batteries for them. Paddle. Change of clothes. Life jacket. We're ready to catch something insane. Let's get after it, guys. Oh boy. Sundown. Zero wind. Flat ocean. This is gonna be perfect. This is what I dream of. This is my favorite thing to do. Life jacket and whistle in the back, because you're required by law to have that. Headlight, bucket full of pinfish. Oh, these are some nice lively pinfish. 2 rods. Beautiful calm evening. Doesn't get much better than this, guys. Got a long paddle out there though. It's gonna take me about 20-30 minutes to get to where I'm trying to get. But the good news is it's an outgoing slack low tide, so I'm gonna go out with the tide and then I'm gonna come in with the tide. So I timed this perfectly. I had a new spot that I want to check out soon to show you guys, but the new spot is much easier than this. It's like the back bay, and it's more of like a dock light spot, or more of like a daytime sheep's head spot, because it's like a lot of docks and side canals, and it's in the back bay. I wanted to take advantage of this calm, flat, windless day with an outgoing tide that's about to change to an incoming in a couple hours to actually head out far into the bay. There's a dolphin feeding over there. Let's see if he comes back. Oh, oh, there he goes. 2 dolphins, 3 dolphins, wow. Look at that. That's awesome. We could always hit the dock lights on those docks if nothing else bites. A lot of dolphins out there feeding on mullet. Got him. Uh-oh. Oh, Jesus. That's a little bigger than I thought. Oh, boy. Oh, no. Uh-oh. That's huge. Oh, my gosh. No way. No way. Get him over here. Jeez. Oh my gosh. It's a little bit bigger than I thought. Oh my goodness, guys. That's a beast. Let me clean my lens so you guys can see them. Wow. That's easily like over 30 inches. That's like a 33-inch snook.
There's big ones in there too. We can get a 40 today. We can totally get a 40 today. Ready?
Oh, it's a pigfish. That's their favorite. So when it hits the water, it makes that little grunting noise. They love that. This feels like a big snapper. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a nice snapper. Get him in the boat. That's a keeper. Anybody want a keeper mangrove? Yeah? All right, how are we gonna do this? Let's see if you guys can reach that bucket. Drop down a rod, a hook. No, no. Drop me a line, just drop a rod. This one will do right here. Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep reeling, stop reeling, stop reeling. There we go. All right, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Nice pressure. You're not going to break that. Keep reeling. A lot of pressure. There you go. Beautiful. No problem. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Brandon's Budget Adventures. No way, really? What video were you looking at?
I think it was a snapper video.
Oh, the catch and cook snappers. All right, guys, so this gentleman is out here fishing for sharks. He's got fresh stingrays, and I'm about to help him by running out one of them rays. Oh, that's wonderful. No barb on him, right?
Nope.
Sweet. Got it.
I put the hook behind it because I'll pull it off.
Oh, you're gonna. Oh, you're just gonna pull. So just go straight out? All right, let's do it. You just tell me when to stop, all right? And I'll drop it. I don't want to spend too much time running baits. He wanted me to run all 4, but I'd be more than happy to run 1. 4 is a little bit of too much to ask for. If he had a pack of hooks, that would be nice. I asked if he had a J hook, but he only has circles. Good luck, man. Catch him up. Normally, if it was a worse tide or if it was a slow day of fishing, I'd be more than happy to run all 4 of them. But this is prime time for me. That sun's about to go down, and once the sun goes down, it might be the end of the night. So I'm gonna run back and see if I can get a couple more of them snook, and we'll call it. Look out at that sunset, guys. Oh man, that's so beautiful. Sunset with the pilings. So much fun to weave in and out of these pilings. But that thunder is approaching quickly, so we're gonna call it. Really beautiful night. What a fun trip. I just stopped. There's huge stuff all over the place. There's a thunderstorm coming in, but that's a beast. There we go. He wasn't even ready yet. Jesus. Oh, lightning. It's a stud, but there's... Whoa. Oh my gosh. Come on. Get him up, get him up, get him up. Get him up. Get him up. Before that lightning comes. Oh, it's a beast. It's a beast. Oh my gosh. Easily 30 inches. Get him in the boat. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. That's a stud. Oh my gosh. It's a beast. It's a beast. Yeah, baby. Another beast. Oh my goodness, that's a stud. Let's get another one before this lightning storm gets us. Up on past crabs. Look at that past crab. They're blowing those up. The thunderstorm's coming in fast though, so we don't have much time. But look at that past crab out there. They're blowing up those past crabs. If I hurry, maybe I can get one more before the storm. Let's see. Oh, they're going nuts over here. They're feeding like crazy. Let me hurry up and get a pinfish. Oh my goodness, guys. Shouldn't be long now. Just pitch that pinfish right out in front of there. Really got to watch out for that lightning storm, though. Man. Oh, took it. Missed him, missed him, missed him, missed him, missed him. Oh my gosh. All the boaters are running from the thunderstorm, and meanwhile I'm trying to get these huge snook that are blowing up here, which might not be the best idea. Everybody's running from this storm. Give it 2 more casts and we're out. 2 more casts and we're out. He's on. Got him! Ooh, it's a beast! We have to leave. This rain is getting intense. We got a huge snook. We're gonna have to get out of here ASAP. That's a beast. Oh my gosh. Wow. Another stud. We're gonna have to leave these guys biting because this thunderstorm is coming in really fast, guys. We're gonna get this fish up. We're gonna get a nice little shot of him and we're gonna get out of here. Just like that. Oh, it's a stud. It's a stud. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. Oh man, we're gonna get him in the water and we're gonna get out of here ASAP. That's a stud. Oh, snook. Whoa. The storm is coming in fast, guys. We're out. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, time to run. That's a shame because they're blowing up like crazy, but we gotta bail because we got a storm coming in. I don't trust that storm one bit. All right, thanks for watching today, guys. Stay tuned, as always, stay fishy.